Welcome back to Classic Chevy Revival. I'm your host, Kevin Hillner, and today we're going to talk about a topic that hits close to home for many of us, winter car storage. As the weather changes and the warm weather bids adieu and the cold, snowy months settle in, it's time for classic Chevy owners to think about tucking away your possessions until spring. So let's talk about the importance of proper winter car storage. You know, winter car storage just isn't about shielding your vehicle from the elements. It's a crucial step in preserving its life, avoiding hefty repairs, and ensuring it's ready to hit the road in all its glory come next spring. Neglecting proper winter storage can sometimes be more damaging than driving on salt-covered roads all winter. So if you haven't addressed your winter car storage needs yet, now's the time to buckle up. We've got a few winter storage tips to keep your Tri-5 in pristine condition. First up, give your car's exterior some TLC. Hand wash it thoroughly. Skip the drive-through and pay attention to the underside. You know, a good waxing protects that finish, and a touch of chrome polish adds to the extra shine. So then moving inside, make sure your car's interior is spotless. Remove any food-related items to ward off pests, and consider using seat covers for added protection. You know, a couple of boxes of baking soda opened up, or some of those desiccant packs inside help absorb the extra moisture. And also I found with the interior of the car, try some dryer sheets. The critters don't like it, and they're easy to clean up in the spring, and your car does smell better. Beats the old mothballs remedy. But we've used dryer sheets for quite a while, especially in our camper, and come springtime we never have any trace of mice inside. Speaking of critters, you know, mice love cozy spaces, and your car might look appealing to them. Using mouse traps strategically works. Close the air inlets, and some people I know plug up the exhaust pipe with steel wool. Like I said, the dryer sheets, throw some on the floor, put some in the glove box. It's a deterrent, and they smell nice as well. So critter-free is the way to be. So make sure you fill up your gas tank. There's a debate about whether to empty or fill your gas tank for winter storage. We say fill it up and add a fuel stabilizer to the mix. Change your oil and your filter, top off the coolant, and ensure your tires are clean, properly inflated to avoid flat spotting. I know some owners overinflate the tires for winter to keep them from flat spotting, but I've personally never tried that. I've got a friend of mine puts his car on pieces of carpet, and then he says he has no flat spots from doing that. Let's get to the battery. Do you remove it or hook it up to a trickle charger? Well, that'll be kind of up to you, I guess. But be cautious with removal if your car has engine computers. If you have, you know, some of those new engines installed in your Tri-5. And a little petroleum jelly on the terminals will add an extra layer of protection. All right, here's another big one. To start or not to start? The age-old question. Do you start your car during winter storage? Well, some say it's unnecessary. Others believe an occasional start keeps things lubricated. So if you choose to start, remember these steps that I've just talked about for the smoother experience. Seems to me if you get your car all set up for storage and then you go start it, I don't know. I start mine and I move it up and down the driveway. I don't take it out on the street because this is northern Illinois where I'm at, and they use a horrendous amount of salt. Also, let's talk about the cover. Cover your car up, and be sure to invest in a custom-fit, breathable cover to shield your exterior. You want to avoid plastic covers at all costs because they trap moisture, and taking them on and off can scratch your car's finish. So, like I said, this is going to be a short video, and wrapping things up, preparing for winter car storage takes effort, but the payoff is worth it. When spring arrives and you take that first drive, you'll appreciate the care you put into your beloved ride. So that's a wrap for today's winter car storage guide. And if you found any of these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive content. Our website is ClassicChevyRevival.com. Check that out. We have all kinds of goodies on the site. Take a look at that. And until next time, Let's keep those wheels turning, maybe not during the winter, and your passion for cars alive. So let's drive and revive, and we'll catch you next time on Classic Chevy Revival.